Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven broil element in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Now slide out the oven racks. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the broil element bracket to the rear wall of the oven. Unthread the two screws securing the bracket to the top of the oven. Now gently pull the element forward to expose the wires, then disconnect them. Make sure the wires do not slide back behind the rear wall. Install the new oven broil element by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align and push the element into position. Then thread the screws to secure the element bracket to the top of the oven. Replace the screws securing the element to the rear wall. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.